Hey, I'm Hamid. In the next 7 minutes, you'll discover why your pension is quietly failing you. And I'll show you 3 moves to fix it fast. Here's the truth. The UK state pension pays about £11,500 per year. The average retiree spends over £40,000. That's a £29,000 gap every single year. Nobody tells you this. Inflation is silently eating your retirement alive. £100,000 today, worth just $55,000 in 20 years. Your pension is shrinking while you sleep. And in Scene 5, I'll reveal the one strategy that flips everything. Let's be real. Even workplace pensions aren't enough. Most people contribute just the minimum, 8% total. Quick question. Could you live on a third of your current salary? That's what minimum contributions give you. Here's what changed everything. You need 3 income pillars beyond your pension. Number 1, max out your ISA with index funds. Number 2, build a side income stream. Number 3, start a personal investment portfolio early. These 3 moves change your entire retirement trajectory. Most people don't know. Investing just £300 monthly from age 25 could build over $500,000 by 60. Start at 40, you'd get barely $170,000. Same money, wildly different outcomes. Time is your ultimate weapon. Imagine this. 72% of UK adults have no investment plan outside their pension. That stat should terrify you. Don't be part of that 72%. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. If this video hit different, drop us in the comments right now. Subscribe and hit that bell for weekly wealth secrets. Tell me, what's your retirement strategy? I read every single comment. Let's build wealth together.